Here are some popular Japanese ingredients and remedies you can use to prepare homemade treatments. For a clear and glowing face. 1. Rice water, Kome Mizu. Benefits: brightens skin, improves elasticity, and reduces blemishes. How to use: first, rinse 1/2 cup of rice to remove impurities. Second, soak the rice in clean water for 30 minutes. Then strain and store the water. Finally, use it as a facial toner or rinse your face with it. 2. Matcha, green tea powder. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, helps reduce inflammation, and detoxifies the skin. How to use: first, mix 1 teaspoon of matcha powder with 1 teaspoon of honey and a few drops of water. Second, apply the paste to your face. Finally, leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse off. 3. Azuki beans, red bean powder. Benefits: gently exfoliates, removes dead skin cells, and promotes circulation. How to use: first, grind dried Azuki beans into a fine powder. Second, mix with water or honey to form a paste. Then massage onto your face in circular motions, then rinse. 4. Kombu, seaweed. Benefits: hydrates and nourishes the skin, rich in vitamins and minerals. How to use: first, soak kombu in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Secondly, apply the softened seaweed directly to your face as a mask. Then leave for 15 minutes, then rinse. 5. Tofu. Benefits: moisturizes and softens the skin. How to use: first, mash fresh tofu into a smooth paste. Second, apply to your face and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. 6. Yuzu, Japanese citrus. Benefits: rich in vitamin C, helps brighten skin and reduce dark spots. How to use: first, mix yuzu juice with a small amount of water. Second, apply to your face with a cotton pad. Then leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. 7. Camellia oil, Tsubaki oil. Benefits: deeply hydrates, reduces fine lines, and protects the skin barrier. How to use: first, warm a few drops of camellia oil in your hands. Then gently massage into your skin as a moisturizer. These natural ingredients are gentle, yet effective, and can be incorporated into your skincare routine to achieve a radiant complexion.